This video covers one of the absolute best parts of the Rust language, the incredible Rustation community. We are a community where personal maturity and empathy are as important as technical excellence. You can find lots of information about the community at rustlang.org/community. This page features a list of the places Rustations gather and talk about Rust. These include the Rust Users Forum, which is a wonderful place to have asynchronous conversations about the experience of using Rust. And the Rust Internals Forum. The Internals Forum is where we discuss the development of Rust itself and the Rust ecosystem. You can also chat synchronously with other Rustations through the Rust Discord server, as well as through the Rust Lang Zulip organization. During normal times, the Rust community gets together physically at a few different events held throughout the year, including RustConf. Currently, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we are holding events virtually. Most meetups are also being held virtually. That means that no matter where you are in the world, you can attend Rust meetups all over the globe. To see a list of Rust meetups meeting soon, make sure to subscribe to the This Week in Rust newsletter to keep up with what the Rust community is up to week. This newsletter is also a great place to find Rust open source projects that are looking for new contributors, as well as Rust jobs. Rust, both the project and the community, are governed through an RFC or request for comments process. For more information about this process, as well as how the Rust project is structured into teams, working groups, and project groups, make sure to check out the governance page of the official Rust language website. You can also participate in Rust discussions on social media, including with the RustLang hashtag on Twitter, as well as the Rust subreddit on Reddit. As you explore the Rust community, I encourage you to be unafraid to ask questions. We were all Rust newbies at one point, and we are committed to teaching each other, helping each other, and lifting each other up. I hope to see you in the Rust community soon.